So here you go with the chat links. So if you all can open your chat section and check, first two links are of syllabus links. So whosoever is in grade 3, they can check their grade 3 syllabus. Whosoever is in grade 4, of course, they need to check for grade 4 syllabus, right? In case you have not enrolled yet, no need to worry. You can complete your payment process and you can join the classes. We are always welcome for the feedback. So whenever you want to give us a feedback, fill up this form and we'll receive your feedback. In case you want to know in detail about the batch, click on this all batch detail links and you'll get to know. In case you have any further queries, always feel free to email us at support@olympiadscience.com, or you can drop us a WhatsApp message on these two particular numbers. And not the least, yes, you can watch this demo live on the Facebook. In case you find an internet glitch and you're not going to join back via Zoom to us, you can watch this demo live on the Facebook, okay? So let me bring your mentor at the platform. His name is Mr. Vikram, and he's into teaching profession since so long, and she loves to interact with kids like you. So over to you, Vikram, sir.
Hi, good afternoon, everybody. It's great seeing all of you. My name is Vikram Rawat, and by education, I'm a mechanical engineer, but I've been in the field of education for the past 7.5 years now. And I train people for Vedic mathematics. I help students prepare for various competitive exams. I also help students learn science and mathematics. So we are going to learn Vedic maths. And before we do that, let me first of all ask all of you, how many of you like mathematics as a subject? Can you please raise your hands? People who like mathematics, come on. Is it an honest answer? Is there anybody who does not like mathematics? Pranav does not. Okay. What about Bignesh? Bignesh, can you please turn on your camera? See, when I turn my face away from you and then start teaching, does it look good? It does not, right? So I hope everybody can turn on their cameras so that I can also see that you people are actually listening. Chali, Bignesh, please turn on your camera so that we can continue. And especially Pranav, if you don't like mathematics so much, it's in grade 3, it is generally calculation based mathematics, right? So most probably you are facing problems with calculations. So what we'll try to do is we'll try to improve your calculations. Even if you don't like mathematics, I suppose everybody likes magic, isn't it? And that's what Vedic maths is all about. Just give me a minute.
Okay, so I think we'll quickly have a look on the presentation and then we'll begin with your demo, right? So allow me to share my screen. So I welcome all of you at the platform of Olympiad Success, wherein you know that you all have joined us today for Vedic Maths demo class. So Olympiad Success is India's largest preparation platform. Where do we offer School Plus program, which includes 8 subjects: mathematics, English, science, logical reasoning, combination, spoken and written, Vedic maths and coding. No need to worry. In case you want to choose any particular subject and join the class, of course you can join in. So what else do we provide? We do provide one-on-one preparation classes for different boards, for grades 2 to 12, and for different Olympiads also. So you can see that we do offer classes for SESMO, SEMO, HKIMO, TIMO. So in case any of you prepare for these examinations, of course, you can contact us. So you can meet our rank holders on the screen. They are kids like you only. So what they have done to become our rank holders, they have spared to us every day extra from the regular studies. So same you have to do also. So you can also become a rank holder. So what all you'll be going to get? There'll be a group session with around 20 students delivered through Zoom platform by a seasoned tutor. So already you have met your mentor. He's already here with us. So what else you'll be going to get? The classes will be 2 days per week. So days will be Saturday and Sunday. Timing will be 2 to 3:15 p.m. with 5 minutes of break. So session will be for 75 minutes with 5 minutes of break. The session will include mix of theory, practice questions, doubt session, and discussion on previous year papers. So soon I'll be going to show you this on the dashboard that how you can have access of this entire material. So stay tuned for the same. Students will get reading material, practice papers, which will be available on the dashboard, of course. So these all are the relevant links. No need to worry. Links have been pasted in the chat box. Will again be pasted in the chat box. So syllabus link you already got. The fees for this course is 3,906 rupees. It is a 15 session course. Payment can be made by clicking on this link. So in case you have not enrolled yet, I am guiding you again. Click on this link and see you join your classes. So what do you need? A laptop or desktop with good internet connection. Obviously that you should understand the lesson properly from your mentor. Of headphones for better audio clarity that you should not miss any explanation, and camera, of course, that your mentor should see you and you should see your mentor. So live classes will be going to continue from coming Saturday, that is 29th March. So in 2024, we have students from more than 5,000 schools. So let me stop sharing my screen. And now I take you to our platform. So what you have to do, students, you have to enter this URL olympiadsuccess.com and you will be directed towards this page. Here, you have to enter your demo account. So I'm entering through demo account, sorry. So you have to enter your account, your email ID and password with which you will enroll with us. So log in. After logging in, you'll get your profile details. Check it in case you find any error, update it over here. In live classes, you'll get your entire material. You need to select your subject. So I'll show you for mathematics as of now. Select your topic. So here you'll get a schedule. So in schedule, you can see the lesson plan is bifurcated in different sessions, right? So you'll get to know in which session you're going to cover which particular topic. And the best part is after completion of every chapter, we have a test discussion day, right? So on that day, before that day, you'll get a mock test paper from your mentor, and then you have to solve that paper. And in coming session, you'll be going to discuss it with your mentor, whatsoever doubt you get it in that particular chapter, right? So there are one more surprise for you. Those are super classes. In super classes, you will be going to have a lot of practice. So what are Olympiads basically? If any of you have given Olympiads before, so I'm sure you must be aware of that Olympiads are basically little different from your regular studies, right? So you should have an in-depth knowledge of each and every topic. So for that, more and more practice is required. So that's why super classes are for you. So in this, you'll be going to prepare a previous year paper. Holiday calendar, of course, for your reference, that you can plan your days accordingly. Okay. So here is a reading material. So this kind of material we're going to get for your Vedic mathematics. Right. Moving ahead on question paper. Paper for your practice. There are answer keys also, but I recommend you to download the paper, solve it, and then check your answer keys. Okay. Here are the answer keys for your reference. Yes, that's pretty much about it. So now we are open for the Q&A round. If anybody is having any doubt and queries related to the dashboard, feel free to ask me. We'll be happy to answer your queries. Otherwise, we'll begin with the demo. If you have no query, then show me a thumbs up on the screen. We got a thumbs up from Mahana. We got a thumbs up from Anvay. Good to go. Bomina, Shubhika, Bignesh, Advay, Riyansh, Pranav. Riyansh, do you have any doubt? No? Thumbs up. Okay, over to you, Vikram, sir.
Thank you, Pujan. So before we begin, let me again request everybody, Vignesh, Advay, let's all keep our cameras turned on right? So that I know that you people are listening. Is that a fair enough ask? Okay, so let's begin. And before we start, let me give you a brief introduction about Vedic mathematics. So all of you are doing normal calculations in your daily life, in your schools, mathematics, science, anywhere. And it takes a lot of time, and sometimes it becomes a little complicated. And we feel like we are not that interested in the subject mathematics at all. Although it's simply about improving our calculation skills, right? And for that, what we can do is we can learn a few methods that will help us improve our speed of calculation. For that, we have a few tools in Vedic mathematics that will improve your multiplication, addition, subtraction, division, right? And how does it improve it and what kind of change can it bring? We'll see in a few minutes. But before that, let me give you a brief introduction through my PPT about Vedic mathematics. Just give me a minute. I hope the presentation is visible to everybody. Please give me a thumbs up. Great. So, of course, I've told you Vedic mathematics is a tool to improve our calculation speed. You don't need to know more than that. And who's this person? Anybody ever seen him before? It is said that through our Vedas, this was the person. His name is Bharti Krishna. And what he did was he deduced a few sutras. Sutras are kind of mantras, and through these sutras, he developed a method of calculation for various things. Some things will be helpful for you. Some things you'll learn after you get into class 8th or ninth, maybe, right? But okay, moving on. So out of these 16 sutras that Bharati ji developed, we'll discuss a few of them. And before we do that, let me just stop sharing my screen and open a whiteboard. Do you all have a pen and a paper? Everybody? So before I tell you anything, I want to see how quick can you calculate these problems. Shall we give it a try? Okay. Just a few questions, huh? I hope it's visible to everybody. It's 11 times 27. Just forgive me for my handwriting. Uh, let's take one more. That's it. Only three questions. And what you have to do is calculate all the three answers. You don't have to write it here. Simply write it in the chat box. Okay. Vignesh, is the whiteboard still not visible to you? Okay, I think I've got answers for the first question. What about the second one? Let me make it easier for you. Let's only have two questions. Come on. Okay, just two of you have given the answer. Okay, it's only one. Shubhika has only given the answer for the second one. Okay, great. Great. So you can all stop calculating. What if I tell you, without even picking up my pen, I can simply tell you the answer for both the questions, especially you, Pranav. Please pay close attention now. What if I tell you 11 times 27, I already know is 297. And it's not simply for this question. Let's take any other question, any other number multiplied by 11. Since today you cannot use your microphone, so let me give one number to myself. Let's say I had to multiply 11 times 75, right? I've given myself a new number and I already know the answer will be 925. Sorry, it's 825. Let's take another question, 99 times 34. I already know the answer is 3366. If that's what you got, let's take another number, 99 times, let's say 82. I already know the answer is 8118. Now, how do I do it? Let's learn how to use this method to improve your calculations. Okay, starting with the multiplication with 11. Now, this method is specifically used if we have one of the numbers as 11. The second number can be any two-digit number. Let's say, what was the number earlier? It was 27, right? So let's take the same number, 11 times 27. Now, what we need to do is, everybody please pay attention. What you usually do is you multiply 7 with 1. 7 ones are 7, 7 ones are 7. A cross sign, 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, and then you add it. 7, 9, 2. Right? But in Vedic mathematics, what we're going to do is, if we have a question like 11 times 27, we'll simply make three parts of the answer. Divide the answer into three parts. Is it so difficult? No? Now, the first step is no calculation required. We ignore the number 11. In the calculation, 11 does not exist for us. You can all hide the number 11. Only focus on the second number, that is 27. Can we all do that? Which digit do we have on the right hand side? Pranav, right hand side, we have 7, right? So without calculating anything, simply copy down 7 as it is to the right side box. Right hand side digit to the right side box, left side digit, that is 2, on the left side box. That's it. In the middle one, we add both the digits of 27. That is, we add 2 and 7. That's the only calculation we require. And what's 2 plus 7? It is 9. Great. So the final answer comes to be 297. Now, is that so difficult? So we'll start the process step by step. First of all, we'll write everything down. We'll make 3 parts. Then we'll add the digits in the middle column. But later on, we'll try to do it mentally without using a pen and a paper. Is that okay? Is there anybody who did not understand the method first of all? Is there anybody who wants me to repeat it? You can raise your hand. You know there's a react button. At the bottom of your screen, you'll see a react button and you can simply raise your hand if you've not understood. Sure, everybody? Okay, let me still take another question for the same method. Let's say we have to multiply 11 times 36. Now, come on, repeat after me. How many columns do we make? We make 3 columns. That's the first step. Right side digit to the right side box. That is 6 copied as it is to the right side box. On the left side box, we'll copy the left side digit, that is 3. So left side on the left side box. In the middle one, we'll add both the digits, that is 3 plus 6. And what's 3 plus 6? It is 9. And our final answer comes to be 396. Is this easy, Pranav? What about Anvay, Ahana? Everybody, come on, give me a thumbs up if you found this method to be easy. Great. Okay, Vignesh is joining. Just give me a minute. Okay, while Vignesh is joining, let me give you another question to try. Can you people tell me what would be 11 times 75? Think about it. Great. Vignesh, is the whiteboard visible to you? Come on, people, be quick. A simple question, 11 times 75. Okay, Pranav. Shubhika, very good. I was not expecting this. Great. Okay. Adya, it's Bomina, right? Advay. Good. Ahana, okay. Okay, Anvay. I know why you got the answer that you got, but let me explain it. Okay, let's all try to understand. I suppose most of you have got the answer as 7125 here, right? And let me tell you it's incorrect. Now, why is it incorrect? Because when I ask you to make 3 parts of the answer, it's not simply to divide the answer into 3 parts. There is a logic behind it. And the logic is that the first place, that is the rightmost side, gives us the units place or the ones place. The middle one gives us the tens place. And the left one gives us the hundreds place. Now you people tell me, you know what place values, face values are. Have you ever seen 2 digits in a single place? Can ones place have 2 digits? Or can tens place have 2 digits? It cannot. It simply cannot. And when you write 1, 2 in the middle column, what you're saying is there are 2 digits in the middle column or in the tens place, which is invalid. So what we need to do is, keeping this in mind, let me rewrite it. What we are going to do here is, first of all, let's start with the first step, divide the answer into 3 parts. Right side digit in the right side column, left side digit in the left side column. In the middle one, we'll add 7 plus 5, which is 12, but we'll not write 12 here. We'll only write 2 and we'll carry over the 1 to the next column. So carryover of 1 to the next column makes it 8. In the middle one, we have 2 and then 5. So we have the final answer as 825 instead of 7125. Just a level up in this method of multiplication with 11. Is this clear to everybody? Can I have a thumbs up if this is clear to everyone? Okay. What about you, Ahana? Okay. Great. Shall we move on now? Before we move to the next method, I want all of you to practice a few questions. It's practice time. Come on. 11 times, let me give you a big number. 87. Come on. 11 times 32. That's it. Only 2 questions. Come on. Great, everybody. Pranav, Shubhika, Vignesh, Adya, Ahana. Okay, Pranav has got both the answers. That's good. Riyansh, what happened there? Okay. Okay, that's great, everybody. I suppose all of you got correct answers. Yes. Everybody is a very fast learner. Huh? That's a good thing. Chaliye. So let's recheck our answers. So the first step is dividing the answer into 3 parts. Then the second step is copying the right hand side of the number, that is the second number other than 11, on the right hand side column. 7 as it is copied down, 8 as it is copied down to the left side of the answer. In the middle we add 8 and 7, which gives us 8 plus 7 is 15. Am I right? Okay, so should I write 15 over here? No, I'll only write 5 and carry over the 1 to the next column, which gives me 957. And that's the right answer. Next, first step, divide the answer into 3 parts. 2 as it is to the right hand side, 3, which is the left side digit, as it is to the left hand side. In the middle, we add 3 and 2, which gives me 5. And I have my final answer, 352. Simple. Now multiplication with 11 is anyways very easy, right? So let's take a bigger number. Okay. I'll take the second number, which was 99 times, what was it? 99 times 7 to, or was it 3, 4, something? Come on, what was it? Does anybody remember? Was it 34? I think it was 34. Okay, got it. So 99 times 34. Now, instead of multiplying 4 with 9, 4 with 9, then 3 with 9, 3 with 9, and then adding it, what we are simply going to do here is divide the answer into two parts. Now, keep in mind, everybody, this method is only applicable if one of the numbers is 99. We can have the other number is any other two-digit number or even a one-digit number, but let's start with a two-digit number. So we divide the answer into two parts, and we have two sides here, the right-hand side and the left-hand side. Now, Pranav, pay attention. It's a very simple method. Multiplication with 99 does not include the number 99 in our calculation part. So we can completely ignore the number 99. We simply need to focus on the other number, that is 34. Am I clear? Okay. So what we do, let's start with the right hand side. On the right hand side, you write 100 and subtract the other number, that is 34 from it. Simple. I suppose it's a simple calculation, 100 minus 34. Okay. Now on the left hand side, you simply write the number 34 as it is and subtract 1 from it. Now, if you find this difficult to remember, what you can think of is 99 is 100 minus 1, isn't it? So we have used both the numbers. We have used minus 1, but on the opposite side. 100, but on the opposite side. Is this clear? Okay. Okay, let's start again. Yes. So 100 minus 34, what is it? Who will tell me what's 100 minus 34? Great. It is 66. Good. I hope 34 minus 1 is not too difficult for you. Is it? We can simply write 33 on the left hand side. Great. And that is our final answer. So without even multiplication, we have got the answer for a big number, multiplication with a big number like 99. There was no multiplication involved here. Now, does this look easy to all of you? Please give me a thumbs up. If there is anybody who did not understand any of these methods, please raise your hands. There is a react button at the bottom of your screen. From there, you can raise your hand if you have not understood anything. Okay, somebody raised their hand. It was Ahana. Okay, Ahana, I'll repeat it for you. Just give me a minute. But is it clear to everybody else? Great. Okay. So people who have understood, you can give it a try. The next question, try it on your own, and I'll explain it for Ahana. So 99 times, let's take a big number, 84. So Ahana, come on, repeat after me. The first step is breaking down the answer into how many parts? Two, exactly. Starting from the right hand side, which number do we write on the right hand side? Is there a number that we should ignore here, first of all? There is. We can completely ignore the 99, isn't it? We only need to focus on the other number, that is 84. And on the right hand side, we can subtract 84 out of 100. Is it simple? 100 minus 84? Okay. Then next step, on the left hand side, you simply write down 84 as it is and subtract 1 from it. I hope none of these calculations are difficult. Simple subtraction, right? What's 100 minus 84, Ahana? I've not gotten. Okay, great. 16. That's right. And 84 minus 1 is 83. Great. And we have our final answer as 8,316, which I suppose is correct for everybody. A good job done. Clap for yourself. You have been a very smart class. Okay. Any other questions, anybody? Riyansh, have you got it? Just give me a thumbs up if you've got it. Okay, great. Okay. What about you, Adya? Advay, Shubhika, good, good. Pranav, is math still boring? Sure. Okay. So let's practice a few more questions then. If you've actually understood this, let me give you a few questions to solve. Let's try 99 times 73. And let's also try 99 times. Just give me a minute. Ninety-nine times 64. Come on. Just two questions now. 99 times 73 and 99 times 64. Okay, I've already started getting answers. Riyansh and Pranav, you need to check your answers again. Come on. Advay, come on, check your answer. Shubhika, you got it right. Ahana has got it correct. Sarvagya. How do you spell it? Is it Sarvagya? Riyansh has got it correct. Okay, good. Anvay, yes, it's correct. Okay, Pranav, the next one is also correct. Good. Okay, Riyansh, Shubhika, Advay, great. Good job, everybody. Okay, Ahana. Okay, let's quickly go through the method one more time. 99 times 73. On the right hand side, we subtract 73 out of 100. On the left hand side, we subtract 1 out of we subtract 1 out of 73. And 73 minus 1 is 72. And 100 minus 73 is 20. Is this correct? Okay. Now 99 times 64. On the right hand side, simply subtract 64 out of 100. And on the left hand side, 1 out of 64. 64 minus 1 is 60. 64 minus 1 is 63. And 100 minus 64 is, what is it? 30? 30 what? 36 or 37? Okay, great. Now, how many of you found these methods to be interesting? Interesting as well as easy. Come on, raise your hand. Okay.
Okay, so how did you find it? Quickly type it in the chat box. I see that many of you have sent the messages about your answers, replies, everything. So now I wanted to know, how was the demo? So you have to give a feedback about the demo in one word. Any one adjective you can use. Easy, awesome, great, very easy, interesting, simple, very nice. Okay, then what are you waiting for? You know, yeah, that your classes are going to start from coming Saturday, right? Links are also there with you. So you want me to paste links once again? Just a moment. So I'll share links with you once again, and then we are good to go. Okay, so I've sent you the links once again. I hope this demo was very productive for you and you got an idea that how your Vedic mathematics classes will be going to held, right? So till then, see you in the classes. Bye-bye. Happy weekend, everyone. Bye-bye. Take care. Join fast. Bye-bye.